In the previous modules, you've explored various aspects of artificial intelligence, ranging from basic definitions to complex neural networks. Now, let's focus on how AI enables computers and systems to derive meaningful information from digital images, videos, and other visual inputs, which we term as computer vision. What is computer vision? Computer vision is a field of artificial intelligence that trains computers to interpret and understand the visual world. Using digital images from cameras and videos and deep learning models, machines can accurately identify and classify objects and then react to what they see. Key concepts in computer vision. Image recognition and classification. The process where a computer can identify an object in an image is called image recognition. Classification involves categorizing these objects into predefined classes. For example, facial recognition software is used in smartphones and security systems to identify or verify a person from a digital image or video frame. Object detection is about identifying all objects in an image and drawing a bounding box around them. This is more complex than recognition or classification, as it involves locating multiple objects and labeling them with a bounding box. Exercise. Try uploading an image to an AI model to see how it identifies and locates different objects in the picture. This technique involves dividing an image into parts to better understand the shape and size of various objects. It is widely used in medical imaging. Semantic segmentation. Classifying all the pixels that belong to the same class. Instance segmentation, identifying each instance of each object class. Applications in various fields. Healthcare is being transformed by computer vision. Automated diagnosis is one key area where this technology is making a significant impact. AI models can detect diseases from images like X-rays or MRI scans faster and often more accurately than human specialists. This not only speeds up the diagnostic process, but also improves its accuracy. In the retail sector, computer vision is revolutionizing the shopping experience. Automated checkout systems are a game changer. AI can understand what products are taken off the shelves and automatically bill the customer, reducing checkout times. This makes shopping more convenient and efficient for everyone. The automotive industry is also harnessing the power of computer vision. Self-driving cars are a prime example. These vehicles use computer vision to navigate and avoid obstacles, making driving safer and more efficient. The future of transportation is indeed exciting with these advancements. Agriculture. Farmers use drones equipped with vision systems to monitor crop health and growth. Challenges in computer vision. Variability in visual input. Variations in angles, lighting, quality, and occlusions can affect the performance of vision systems. High resource requirements. Processing high-resolution images or real-time video analytics requires significant computational resources. Privacy concerns. With capabilities like facial recognition, there are increasing concerns about surveillance and data security. Linking with next module, AI ethics. As explored in a future module on AI ethics, the development and application of computer vision technologies call for careful consideration regarding privacy, consent, and data security. In this module, you explored what computer vision is, its key concepts, and how they are applied across different industries. From simplifying tasks in healthcare to powering autonomous vehicles, computer vision is transforming our visual experience with machines. However, it poses challenges like handling diverse visual inputs and ethical concerns about privacy. As you proceed to the next modules, think about how the principles of machine learning and neural networks that you've learned help in improving the capabilities and applications of computer vision. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this online training module. I hope you found it valuable and insightful. To stay updated on upcoming content, including new modules, case studies, and quizzes, be sure to subscribe to my channel and share in your community. Your support helps me create more content that enhances your learning experience. Don't miss out on the next steps to watch other module videos to deepen your understanding and apply the concepts in real-world scenarios. Thanks again, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.